Namaskara. I'm Dr. Sunita Rana Agarwal from Dr. Agarwal Hospitals, Bangalore. I'm an eye surgeon and doing gene therapy and stem cells today. First thing for doing firecrackers, you must make sure you have at least a minimum of 20 feet by 20 feet space. Second, keep your children and old people beyond that 20 feet space. Third, nobody ever wears nylon or silk, and wear clothes which are not flowing, all nicely controlled with the body. Where the children and old people are concerned, please cover them with a thick blanket. Even if something should fall, the blanket will take the first protection. Mostly they don't like big noises, so it's far better for us to play with firecrackers which don't create noise. You have your sparkler, you have your flower pot, you have your chakra. But also remember, the flower pot can burst like a bomb. So now let's be prepared for tackling that. Wherever you are using firecrackers, keep at least one bucket of water and your first aid kit. What should that first aid kit contain? The first aid kit should contain gauze, bandage, some and some antiseptic lotion. So as soon as there is an injury and band-aid, there's an injury, all you want to do is pour that antiseptic lotion, pour water, clean it out clearly, put a bandage and you're good to go. If you have an antibiotic and if you can go to an eye care practitioner or to a health practitioner, that would be even better. In this instance, where you're also keeping this tray ready, keep some medication ready. First, since you're only playing and it's just for fun, you may want to keep a milk-based drink for everybody to enjoy. A milk-based drink will be rose squash with milk and sugar. This everybody enjoys. It's been going on in India for more than 100 years. We call it Ruh Afza. It's everybody's enjoyment. Thandai. Just crush badam, put badam milk. Everybody enjoys. But keep this here because anything that happens immediately can be tackled with this milk-based product. It will reduce the acidity for the person. Thereby, the stress disorders are all created by this. Stress is not there. They have gone here to enjoy the firecrackers, but believe me, it's very stressful even for the person who is bursting the crackers. It's just one thing which has become like, oh, I'm Mako, and so I burst crackers. Not anymore. Not anymore. And so we want to be really, really careful because this is being more Mako. Being more careful is more Mako. So once you've outlined your place, do not use firecrackers spuriously used. So they should be branded. There must be some kind of a life expectancy on them. Usually, what do we see in homes? Oh yeah, wo na 5 saal se pada hua hai. Wo le aao, wo le aao. No, don't use them. They are not important. What is important is human life. So if there are firecrackers which have been made spuriously or have been stored for a long time, it's not worth your while. You want to use it for 5-10 minutes, use the best that you have. Now, your clothing I've talked about, your food I've talked about, and your firecrackers I've talked about. If we are able to do this, let's now move on. How do we burst the cracker? We do not want to use matchsticks to burst crackers. We do not want to use lighters to burst crackers. Every cracker shop gives you one kind of an agarbatti which is long. Light that and then light it. Many people will also keep a candle ready. Keep your agarbatti ready. You may want to use the long sparkler which doesn't go out like a diamond but which just sparkles lightly. That also you light it with your candle and then go and light your firecrackers. Keep yourself protected. If you find the firecracker, you have lit it. You have come away. He has not got lit. You've got your bucket of water ready. Take water and dump it. It is not worth it to go and prod it second time. When you're using rocket, Use the rocket, check above. Use only straight up and check that there are no tree line. Today it's not just the tree lines, the wires in our city are just crisscrossing like hell. Just make sure that there are no wires crisscrossing. There's no tree line. And please do not target your rocket to your neighbor's house. It must only go up. So we've covered all the mechanisms that we are going to burst our firecrackers.